Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this TobenONE docking station, but also monitor stand or monitor racer. This one is actually a really good one. Not only is it going to actually avoid to make that mess you have in your home office or your gaming setup with all those cables and everything. This one is going to actually keep you also in an elevated point on your monitor or laptop when you put it up here, and also it's going to give you everything everything that you need on a 10-in-1 docking station with every single port you need. Also for home office or gaming, this could be really good. It has a 4K 60 Hz resolution HDMI port and also 100 watts PD power supply. Is going to actually also give you a 15 watts charging port for wireless charging port for your cell phone on fast charge. So this is actually how it looks. You can see the legs over here, which is going to elevate your monitor or laptop a little bit. It also comes with a rubber pads right here on the bottom of the leg, so it won't hurt your desk, your furniture, or nothing. I have to say that it's quite heavy, but that actually translates into good quality because you gotta pack some power in here, so that is why it is heavy. Assemble process, 2 minutes tops, no more than that. You just screws the legs and that's gonna be it. Let's take a closer look. So once that you plug in the USB-C port over here, the cable, the power cable comes with the package. You're gonna see that this is gonna be the PD source for the USB-C, the 4K 60 Hz HDMI port over here, and also an Ethernet port over here for better connectivity. So that's actually really good when you connect the host. You can actually connect your laptop to an Ethernet cable instead of using Wi-Fi, which is always faster. And then what you're gonna see is a USB 2.0 port, USB 2.0 port, USB 3.0, USB 3.0, all with fast charging capabilities, and also a USB-C for your monitor, and the host is gonna be right here. You wanna know what is the best thing about this docking station? This right here. That's it. It is charging, wireless charging with 15 watt capabilities, giving fast charge to your phone at all times, sitting right here. Comes with a really nice set of drawers over here for both pens, paper, or sticky notes, or things that they're not going to take too much room for sure, because these are not super big, but it's super convenient that comes with that as well. So I really think that this docking station could solve that issue of both charging your devices and all those cables in the same place for both your laptop and your monitor. I think this one for a laptop could be fantastic. You can actually put your laptop in here with everything you need, and also a separate portable monitor if you have, or just a monitor like this one. I want to say that this device over here is good for monitors up to, I want to go on a gamble here, 27 inches. This is a 24 inches, but I think that for a 27 inches up to 32 inches, maybe if it has like not a super big stand, up to 32 inches, this could be really good. So you can have your laptop sitting close if you want, with a separate keyboard connected here via a dongle, and also a mouse connected here via a dongle, charging your devices and having a really nice setup over here, while also elevated your point of view on your monitor. I like this device, super convenient to have for both gaming and also your home office experience. I want to give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.